आइए जाइए। ओ
टिंकू का कल का इवेंट दिलाने के लिए
मैम हर एक प्लीज़ उनको मैडम को लेना, आप ही आ रहे हैं। आइए आइए।
Dear exhibitors and all the esteemed visitors,
अरे
please join us
पहले
for
धीरे
the
धीरे अभी
non-shoe
नहीं
function starting now at Form 1 registration area. Thank you.
बार बार बोलिए यदि हो गया ना।
आवाज जाओ मत करो।
दबे रहो ना थोड़ा।
चप्पल डालिए ना। अरे पूरा मेरे उसमें आ रहा है कैमरे में, चप्पल डालिए।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a great journey. I would like to first of all welcome our today's chief guest, Ms. Roop Rashi, Textile Commissioner of India. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your time for being with us today. I would also like to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Atul Shah. He is the spokesperson for BJP in Maharashtra. We have with us the Consulate General of Argentina. Please, sir. Mr. Kerr, Daniel Kerr, and Mrs. Kerr, Ms. Maria Kerr, she is Deputy Consul General. So, Mr. Sridhar, Executive Director of Handloom Export Promotion Council. We have former Chairman of Exposal, Mr. Amit Ruparelia with us. And we have a lot of, so we feel greatly supported by the industry, by the trade. The last show we already had, in fact, in this a good success post-COVID, and this one we have more than 700 exhibitors, brands, manufacturers from 32 countries who are going to show, who are showing their products across 4 halls, and we already have about 40,000 pre-registrations from buyers, because the type of innovation in materials, in applications, in design. So we started those awards with the idea to encourage innovations in Indian home products, and I think the industry has picked up really, really well, showing the potential of India. So we are heavily by seeing all the product which is displayed over here. And this is helping us not only in seeing the product, but it is helping us in even making our sites more beautiful, more interesting, and this is giving us immense support. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming here. Thank you. Madam Roop Rashi. I would also like to welcome Mr. Atul Shah. Mr. Kerr, Consulate.
अरे चाचा
And Mr. Ketan Sheikh. Sir, as far as we are concerned,
मैम
Mr. Architect Boris.
look here.
Architect Chandrasekhar.
भाई
And we have Mr. Kishan Singh.
अंदर बहुत पीछे हो गया, उधर खड़े हो ना।
program forward, and I would request Atul Shah just to say quick words. Good morning, everyone. Ms. Dhruv Rati ji, the Textile Commissioner, Mr. Sridhar, the Handloom Commissioner, the Jute Commissioner. So we've all got all textile here, the handloom and the jute and all the architecture. And moreover, the Consul General of Argentina. We are celebrating 75 years relation with you, India, Argentina. Now I just want to congratulate Mr. Rungta and his team. I'm coming here for the third or fourth time. The exhibition which we see in foreign countries is very much in Mumbai. The professionalism, and Bhabiji is always with Mr. Rungta, taking care of all the small little things. Now one thing I'm so happy, when our Prime Minister says, मेरा देश आगे चल रहा है, आगे बढ़ गया है. It has gone beyond that. और इसलिए आज यहाँ पर आकर समय नहीं है कोई जो बायर्स भी आते हैं इंडिया से. पहले तो बड़े बड़े सिटी से आते थे, मुंबई, पूना, नासिक, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता. अब छोटे छोटे शहरों से आते हैं. ये सैचुरेशन और करा दिया आपने. दैट इज क्योंकि वो मार्क ट्वेन की कविता आज पहुंची नहीं होती. उनको सब जल्दी चाहिए, सब प्रोडक्ट चाहिए. So what is this life full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. No time to stand beneath the tree. Oh my God, I shall never be free. तो ये अर्बन बायर्स ने दिखा दिया है कि उनको बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट दो. And I'm looking at the stall there. I wish this exhibition a grand success, and for years to come, you go on doing and अपना देश आगे बढ़ाते रहो. रुंगटा जी, धन्यवाद. आप सब किसी का नाम रह गया और जो भी यहाँ पर आए, मेरा सबको नमस्कार. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Nitaji. Thank you, the whole team of HAH, respected Shaji, Consul General of Argentina, my colleagues from Ministry of Textiles, the whole of industry, esteemed architects, artists who are with us, the whole of industry. It's a matter of definitely pleasure as well as privilege. I was here last year with Honorable my Secretary Rajna Shah ma'am, and I think the bond goes since then for me. And then when Rungta ji asked me that I should be here, I just thought that there is no way I cannot be here, and I feel that the decision is definitely, I'm happy about the decision, and I second whatever Atul Shah ji ने बोला कि हमारा देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, ये हमारी चीज़ों में परिलक्षित हो रहा है. अगर 600 cities, 600 out of our around 770 districts, वहाँ से of textiles का जो हम लोग का फोकस है और सबसे बड़ा योगदान है कि हम लोग अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स तो बनाते हैं देश विदेश के लिए. हम सबसे ज़्यादा रोज़गार अर्जित करते हैं अपने देश के लोगों के लिए. कम से कम 5.4 करोड़ रोज़गार डायरेक्टली जनरेट होता है और उतना ही इनडायरेक्टली जनरेट होता है. तो इस सब में आप सभी का कितना योगदान है. सब फाइबर्स का योगदान है, हैंडलूम्स का योगदान है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स का योगदान है, जूट है, कॉटन है, मैन मेड फाइबर है, और फाइनली उसकी जो सप्लाई चेन हम लोग अगर अच्छी बना सकें अपने देश के लिए, एज वेल एज डिमांड साइड पे. आई रियली एम हैप्पी अबाउट द अमेजिंग डिज़ाइनर्स व्हाट वी हैव ऑन द राइट साइड, बिकॉज दे विल क्रिएट द राइट काइंड ऑफ डिमांड एंड राइट काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू फॉर ऑल फाइबर्स, whether it is for the farmer from the farm and for others. In case of cotton, we have also launched our own brand Kasturi with some products in the International Cotton Advisory Committee Convention last year. And I expect that our industry is going to grow with leaps and bounds. हमारे देश आगे बढ़ रहा है और आगे बढ़ता जाएगा. और personally, I am thankful to Consul General of Argentina, Deputy Consul General Maria. She is a facing person. She joined with us in the International Cotton and Convention, and she has been fostering our bond as a government-to-government bond and working. I mean to say, she's taking half the burden, as we say, delegation of Consul General, and she has been doing a great work. I see a lot of women here. Being a woman, I do believe in women-led development, and I'm happy that HGH conforms to that. With these few words, I once again wish all the success to all.
चलिए सर हेलो चाचा नहीं क्या बीच में खड़ा हुआ है
अरे सामने तो थोड़ा ऊंचा कहाँ है? अरे सामने
सर यहाँ फोटो हो रही है यहाँ पे
सामने।
सर यहाँ पे हेलो अरे सर इधर इधर देखो सर थैंक यू
बोलो थैंक यू।
थैंक यू तो यहाँ देखिए चलिए मैदान क्लियर एक्सक्यूज मी
So, ma'am, we request you to unveil for the 15th edition.
मैडम गार्डन नहीं है अंग्रेज है तो थोड़ा ऊपर उठाइए मैडम थोड़ा ऊपर कमीशन कमिश्नर
नहीं मैं
या
We also request our guests, led by Textile Commissioner, to unveil the trend book. Can we have copies of the trend book, please? Science materials
कैमरे
that
में आ
are
रहा
going
है
to
आपका
be
हाथ।
are expected to be popular in the next 1 year.
सर माइक छोड़ दिए आप भी ले लिए वो उन्हीं उनको दे दो ना उन्हें बोल दो एक मिनट पहले दे दो यार वो थोड़ा वो
Please take a look at the Trends Pavilion also. You will get a lot of ideas for making many more innovative products. And the designers in particular, I'm sure you give us inspiration, but this is the place where you can also draw some inspiration.
चलिए थैंक यू
So,
One picture, please. Everybody look at the camera, please.
सेंटर लुक
Yes, sir. Ma'am, please camera please.
आजा आजा हाँ आजा
मैम सेंटर लुक
या
फोटो ले लो पहले
मैम काट दीजिए
यस मैम लुक दिस साइड यस
यस
यस लुक हियर
क्लैप प्लीज
मैडम ने कहा जोड़ो काटो नहीं
या
लेकिन अगली बार वो नॉट लगा
या
प्लीज मैम कम इन
या कम इनसाइड कम मैम कमीशन कम
या गो फोटो
वन स्टेप आइए
या मैम प्लीज स्लोली
यस आइए छोटू उड़ जा तू लेट जा
मैम
दिखे बहुत
दिखे फॉलो भाई मैम वैभव यू फॉलो
This digital printing is supported in our school. And that we actually introduced after coming in 2020. There was some challenges to introduce it. Our idea was that in digital we introduce
क्या जो रोहन भाई
doesn't affect.
Per capita income in 5 states of South India, 50% higher than 5 states of North.
Go next.
Side is all, and this side will first go to HG.
अभी वाइड रखोगे चलिए
I'm openly biased to be seen in breaking the ceiling and going up. See, today's reading says about 15% on the board now are women and women in senior management, which is less than international. But we have increased. You know, in the pilot segment, India beats international levels. India has 15% women pilots, while international level is 5%.
मैं तो मूव करूँगा ही
So what is happening here? Let me say that
This hall is mixed up, is what we call. So then there we have separate halls for big doors and big house. Separate hall for wheelchair, separate hall for furniture.
and you are here for 4 days.
Yes. And this is the
When you say that you have done it with recycled paper, then you always say in your that we are aligned to recycling and circularity. See, India is much better than any place rest of the world. Even in textile waste, when they say that is still talking about starting with the fact that 7 itself is your GST compliance. See, just because you don't have a certification doesn't mean we are doing the right thing. We get the certification and find it See, like I said, no more than 8.5% of world's textile waste is generated in India. We are 16% of world population. We are still doing less.
This product is based on our French theme. This is a handmade carpet. And based all our friends. They developed this.
And this has been based on HG India trends. They specially developed.
One can be
Very innovative.
Very innovative. Can I touch and see?
Like a real balloon without it. Yeah.
Kind of involvement they have.